Hi grade 9 American System, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today I'm going to start a new section 8.1 Molecular Compounds. The objectives of this section are identify the information a molecular formula provides and describe the representative units that define molecular compounds and ionic compounds. As I explained before, noble gas elements such as helium and neon exist as uncombined atoms in nature, so they are monoatomic, meaning they consist of single atoms. Recall that ionic bonds form when the combining atoms give up or accept electrons. Another way that atoms can combine is by sharing electrons. So, atoms that are held together by sharing electrons are joined by covalent bond. Also, a molecule is a neutral group of atoms joined together by covalent bonds. Example, oxygen gas consists of oxygen molecules. Each oxygen molecule consists of two covalently bonded oxygen atoms. So, a diatomic molecule such as the oxygen molecule is a molecule that contains two atoms. Example, O2, H2, N2, and halogens. So, a compound composed of molecules is called a molecular compound. Example, water. The molecules in water are all the same. Each water molecule contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now, representing molecules. A molecular formula is the chemical formula of a molecular compound. A molecular formula shows how many atoms of each element a substance contains. For example, the molecular formula of water is H2O, and the molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. It means that a molecule containing one carbon and two oxygen atoms. A molecular formula does not tell you a molecule structure. What does this mean? It means that it does not show either the arrangement of the various atoms in space or which atoms are covalently bonded to one another. Comparing molecular and ionic compounds. The representative unit of a molecular compound is a molecule. But for ionic compound, the representative unit is a formula unit. So, a molecule is made up of two or more atoms that act as a unit. But the ionic compound consists of continuous arrays of ions. So, there is no such thing as a molecule of sodium chloride or a molecule of magnesium chloride. Also, molecular compounds have lower melting points and boiling points than ionic compounds. Many molecular compounds are gases and liquids at room temperature, while ionic compounds are formed from a metal combined with a non-metal. Molecular compounds are composed of atoms of two or more non-metals.